Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin with our book that is Pebbles of Grammar of Class 4 by Galaxy Publications. Hello everyone. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 8, and the chapter is verbs. What are basically verbs? From the very beginning, since our childhood, we have been learning that the verbs are action words. They are actions which we do, like singing, drinking, playing, watching, sleeping, eating. They all are action words and we call them as verbs. Let's read the sentences which are given below here in the chapter. Look at these sentences. Mridula writes a letter. Now what does Mridula do? She writes a letter. Mridul plays badminton. So in these two sentences, writes and plays, what do they refer to? They actually refer to the actions. So they are doing or action words. हम इसको doing words या फिर action words भी कह सकते हैं. The doing words are called verbs. So what are doing words? They are verbs. A verb always has a subject in a sentence. Verb का हमेशा एक subject होता है sentence में. In sentence 1, Mridula is the subject and writes is the verb. So who is the subject here? Mridula. Similarly, in sentence number 2, Mridul is the subject over here and plays is the verb. Verbs tell us what a subject does or is. तो verb हमें क्या बताता है? वो बताता है कि subject क्या करता है, ओके, या वो क्या है. तो मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि verbs जो हैं किसी एक्शन या स्टेट को रेफर करते हैं सब्जेक्ट के और हमें बताते हैं कि क्या सब्जेक्ट करता है. तो चलिए जल्दी से हम नीचे दिए हुए सेंटेंसेस को रीड करते हैं ताकि आपको ऊपर का दिया हुआ मैटर भी क्लियर हो जाए. फर्स्ट वन इज शी टीचेस इन अ स्कूल. सो व्हाट इज इट हैपनिंग? इट इज एन एक्शन. She is polite. Now the word is here is what? It is telling you the state. Okay, वो polite है. So this is the state. So is what? Is हमारा verb है. Is will be called as a verb. He always speaks the truth. He always speaks the truth. So speaking is what? It's again an action. But in the next sentence, Raj is an honest boy. Now in this sentence, is क्या है? Is the state of the boy. I am pleased. Now here again, am is the state of the boy or the person whom they are talking about. That means the subject. They are hungry. Again, are is what? It is the state of the subject. The words is, am and are, they do not tell about an action, they tell about the state of the subject. They denote the verbs of form be. So ये कौन से verbs हैं? They are the verbs of form be, B-E-B. Other being verbs are, और कौन से being verbs हैं? Other हैं was, were, will be and shall be. तो अभी हमने कौन कौन से स्टेट वाले बी फॉर्म के वर्ब्स पढ़े हैं? हमने पढ़ा is, are, am और उसके अलावा कौन कौन से हैं? there, was, were, will be and shall be. So these are all the forms of be. चलिए इसके आगे अब हम बढ़ते हैं. Let's read the other thing given in the page. They have just given one sentence on this page, that is she has a new dress. क्या है ये? यहाँ पर लिखा है she has a new dress और नीचे they have a new car. she के साथ has यूज किया है और they के साथ have. तो जो words has और have हैं ये क्या दिखा रहे हैं? They are telling you possession. They are telling you that it is the belongingness of the subject. She has. Who has? She has. The second sentence over here speaks, they have a new car. Now they are talking कि उसके पास new car है. They are talking about many people. They have. उनके पास rather मुझे कहना चाहिए उनके पास बहुत सारी कार है. तो the words has and have, what do they show? They are telling you possession or belonging. And the basic meaning of possession means to own, कि कोई चीज किसी और को belong करती है, यह उनकी है. The words has, have and had. 3 words हैं, has, have और had. They are also a kind of verbs. ये सब क्या है? Kind of verbs हैं. That refer to possession or belonging. जो किसको refer करते हैं? They are referring to possession or belonging. The words has and have refer to the present time. Now has and have किस चीज को refer कर रहे हैं? Something which is happening in the present time. But had is actually referring to the past tense. Okay, the past time. We use has with singular nouns and pronouns. हम has use करते हैं singular nouns या pronouns के साथ, जैसे कि boy, girl, tiger, he, she, it, ऐसे pronouns. और have किसके साथ use करते हैं? We use have with I, we और plural nouns या pronouns के साथ. किसके साथ यूज करेंगे? जैसे I have, we have, और प्लूरल नाउन्स जैसे कि boys, girls, tigers. ओके, girls have, tigers have, he has, he के साथ has आएगा. और had हम कब यूज करेंगे? both the nouns and pronouns, singular and plural, both the nouns we use had. बस फर्क ये है कि हम has और have को प्रेजेंट टाइम के लिए यूज करते हैं. किसके लिए? प्रेजेंट. Whereas had को हम यूज करते हैं पास्ट टाइम के लिए. क्लियर? नाउ इतना मुझे लगता है आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. अब हम आगे करेंगे इसकी एक्सरसाइजेस को सॉल्व. जो पहला क्वेश्चन है इस एक्सरसाइज का वो है सर्कल द वर्ब्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. आपको सिर्फ वर्ब्स को सर्कल करना है. तो चलिए जल्दी से इसको सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज the peacock dances happily. So what is the verb over here? Dances. What is the second sentence? The second sentence is Meera and Mona are honest girls. So what is the verb here? Be verb. और be verb क्या है? Are. Then the next sentence, that is the third one. Mammals have hair on their bodies. What is the verb? The verb is have. Then the next one, I have a pet dog. So the verb is again have. Then the fifth sentence, my grandma tells me stories from mythology. My grandma tells. Then the next sentence, my father has a new car. Here has हमारा verb है. Seventh sentence, do not go alone for a swim. So what is the verb? The verb is go. And what is another verb over here? Swim. Swim is also verb. Go and swim both are verbs in this sentence. Then the eighth one, always cross the road at zebra crossing. So the word cross here is the verb. Ninth one, we are musicians. So are is what? Are is the verb over here. They were in the enchanted woods yesterday. They were. And the 11th one, that is the last one, she bought fruits and vegetables. So the word B-O-U-G-H-T, bought, is verb over here. With this we have completed the A part. Let's see what they have given below now. They say, look at these sentences. The first one is, the boy has a new bat. Has लिखा हुआ है और bat लिखा हुआ है. चलिए इसके आगे पढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट पेज पे. The next sentence on the next page is, the man rowed the boat yesterday. The girl wore new dress. The bird laid eggs in the nest. Now in these sentences they are saying that in sentence 1 bat is the object of the verb has. Then in the second sentence boat is the object of the verb rowed. Rowed किसके बारे में हो रहा है? Rowed किसके लिए हम कह रहे हैं? बोट को रो कर रहे थे ना. So बोट के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? बोट हमारा रोड वर्ड का ऑब्जेक्ट है। सिमिलरली वोर वर्ड का ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? ड्रेस। लेड का ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है फोर्थ सेंटेंस में? एग्स। फाइन। तो जो वर्ब है, आर वर्ब दैट नीड्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट टू कंप्लीट इट्स मीनिंग इज कॉल्ड अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। एक ऐसा वर्ब जिसको अपने मीनिंग को कंप्लीट करने के लिए एक ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, उसको हम बोलेंगे ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. What do we call it as? Transitive verb. A transitive verb takes a direct object. उसको एक डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है अपने आप को मीनिंगफुल बनाने के लिए, उसके मीनिंग को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Now when you read these sentences, the boy runs fast, the lion roared loudly. इन सेंटेंसेस में आप देखोगे कि इन्हें कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं चाहिए अपने सेंस को क्लियर करने के लिए. दे डू नॉट रिक्वायर, रन्स एंड रोड डू नॉट रिक्वायर एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. हेंस व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड एज? दे आर कॉल्ड एज intransitive verb. इनको कहते हैं intransitive verb. A verb that does not need an object to complete its meaning is called an intransitive verb. The intransitive verb does not have any object. हमारे intransitive verb में किसी भी प्रकार का कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है. So this is all with transitive and intransitive verb. Transitive verb needs an object, whereas intransitive verb does not need any object. Let's now move further. Now they have given us certain practice questions. Let's do them quickly. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Write transitive or intransitive verb. आपको यहाँ पे verbs को underline करना है और बस उसे mention करना है whether it is intransitive or transitive verb. So the first one is they are flying kites. They are flying kites. So is it transitive or intransitive? फ्लाइंग बर्ड किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? काइट्स के लिए यूज हो रहा है. यानी कि उन्होंने एक सब्जेक्ट को बताया है कि इस सब्जेक्ट के लिए हमने इस वर्ब के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा यूज किया है? काइट्स यूज करी है. तो ये हो गया हमारा ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. और अपना वर्ब जरूर मार्क करिएगा, उसको अंडरलाइन करिएगा जरूर से. यहाँ पे फ्लाइंग हमारा वर्ब है. नेक्स्ट इज शी वॉज सिंगिंग. was हमारा यहाँ पे कौन सा verb है? intransitive. Then the third one is the boys will play a match. The boys will play a match. So this is transitive. Then the monkey was eating a banana. The monkey was eating a banana. Again an object has been given to complete the verb. तो हम इसको बताएंगे transitive. Then the fifth one is he wants a new bag. So what is the verb here first? The verb is wants and he wants a new bag. They are talking about bag. So it is a transitive verb. Then the sixth one. She was singing a song. So this is again transitive verb. So this was all about B questions given on page number 41. Let's now move to the next page. Few more questions have been continued from the previous page. Then we should now start with it. The first one is, that is the seventh one given on this page, is the children laughed at the cloud. So this is again transitive verb. Why transitive verb? Because the verb laughed has been used for an object, and this verb requires an object so that it can complete its meaning. Hence we are writing it as a transitive verb. The next one, he was driving carefully. Now this driving word, this is verb and it is not requiring any object over here. Hence we will write it as intransitive verb. Then the next one, that is the ninth one. He narrated a story. Now again, narrated is the verb over here and this is transitive. Then the 10th one, John walks to school. Now the word walks is what? It is verb and it is transitive verb. Practice questions are now finished for transitive and intransitive verbs. Now let's do the next topic, that is subject verb agreement. Now if the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb should be also be singular. अगर sentence में हमारा subject singular person है तो उसके साथ हम जो verb use करेंगे वो भी singular होगा. For example, the boy is kind. Okay, we will not use the boy are kind. No, that's incorrect. The correct sentence is the boy is kind. But if the subject in a sentence is plural, अगर subject हमारा plural है तो verb जो होगा it will also be in its plural form. That means this sentence will now change into the boys are kind. So we have replaced is with are, और सब्जेक्ट हमारा प्लूरल था तो बॉय जो है वो यहाँ पे बॉय नहीं है, बॉयज है, प्लूरल फॉर्म है. सिमिलरली द बॉय वॉज काइंड, द बॉयज वर काइंड. अगर ये पास्ट टेंस में दिया है, पास्ट टाइम डिनोट कर रहा है तो वॉज चेंज हो जाएगा वर में. इफ द सब्जेक्ट इन अ सेंटेंस इज इन द सिंगुलर नंबर and it is in the first person, अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट हमारा सिंगुलर नंबर में है और फर्स्ट पर्सन में है यानी कि I, me, तो उसके साथ क्या होगा, the verb also agrees with the subject in number and person. So example is I sing a song, we play cricket. तो ये भी सिंगुलर फॉर्म में ही लिखा जाएगा. मीन्स I और we के साथ हम जो है सिंगुलर फॉर्म में वर्ब को लिखेंगे. आई सिंग, आई प्ले, आई ईट, आई ड्रिंक. ऐसे कभी नहीं कहते कि आई सिंग्स एंड आई प्लेज. नो. सिमिलरली हम वी के साथ भी यही रूलिंग लगाएंगे और वो है वी प्ले, वी ईट, वी सिंग. नेक्स्ट इज इफ द सब्जेक्ट इन द सेंटेंस इज इन द थर्ड पर्सन, यानी कि अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट जो है थर्ड पर्सन में है, जैसे कि he, they, she, they. The verb should agree with the subject in number and person. तो verb जो है agree करता है number में. That means he के साथ हम use करेंगे s या es verb में. Like he works, she has, they did, they have, and so on. So what will be the sentences now? He works in his office. She has a pet cat, they did play cricket, and they have a new car. So this was all about this. Now let's move further. Certain practice questions are given over here. Let's now quickly do them. The first one is that you have to fill in the blanks with is, are, or am. What dash they doing? What will come over here? दे लिखा है तो ऑब्वियसली ये प्लूरल है, तो वी विल राइट हियर व्हाट आर दे डूइंग. नेक्स्ट वन, देयर डैश अ क्राउड. नाउ व्हेन दे आर मेंशनिंग अ क्राउड दैट मीन्स सिंगुलर नाउन, सो वी विल राइट हियर देयर इज अ क्राउड ऑन द स्ट्रीट. द चिल्ड्रन डैश गोइंग टू द फेयर. प्लूरल वर्ड है चिल्ड्रन तो हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे आर. द चिल्ड्रन are going to the fair. Then the fourth one, we dash going to the zoo. We again plural है तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे we are going to the zoo. Then the fifth one is I dash going to sleep. Now I dash going to sleep. Always remember one thing, हम I के साथ हमेशा am use करते हैं. क्या use करते हैं? Am. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे I am going to sleep. Sixth one, now she dash reading book. Now she dash reading a book. She क्या है? It's a singular pronoun. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे she is reading a book. Then the seventh one, they dash playing in the garden. They is a plural pronoun. हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे they are playing in the garden. So the questions on this page are over. Let's now move to the next page. The D question given over here says that we have to fill in the blanks with was and were. Always remember, was is used with singular and were is used with plurals. He dash tired yesterday. So what will come over here? He was tired yesterday. Then the second one, she dash angry as I reported late. So she is again singular, we will use was. Then the third one, Lata dash absent from the school today. So Lata is a singular noun, so we will use was. Then the fourth one, the thieves dash hiding in the garage. The thieves plural है यहाँ पे तो हम यूज करेंगे were. The thieves were hiding in the garage. Fifth one, they dash planning a surprise party. So what will come here? They were. We are using what? We are using the past. The children dash excited about the trip. The children were. Then the seventh one, the lions were. Again were. Why? Because they all are plural. There dash many stars in the sky last night. So we are talking about many stars, that is plural. So we will write here, there were. So with this we have completed question number D. Let's now quickly do the last question of this chapter, that is question number E. Question number E says, fill in the blanks with has, have and had. So you remember, has is used with singular person, have is used with plurals and I and we, and had is used for both. She dash a pet cat. What we will write here? She has a pet cat. Next one, we dash our umbrella with us. We have our umbrella with us. Seema dash done her homework. Done के साथ हम यूज करेंगे had. Seema had done her homework. You can also write here, Seema has done her homework. The horses dash white stars on their forehead. The horses have white star on their forehead. The fifth one, he dashed a toy car when he was small. He had a toy car. They are talking about the past time, so we will write here had. We dashed 2 cats when we lived in Delhi. Again they are talking about the past tense, so we will write here we had 2 cars when we lived in Delhi. Seventh one is, we dash many story books. We have many story books, because they are not telling you any time period, so we will write here have. I dashed a red school bag last year. Again they are using the term last year, यानी कि ये पिछले समय की बात हो रही है, past time है, past tense you can also say, so we will write here I had. So with this we have completed all the exercises of this chapter. Read thoroughly. It is very easy to understand. Take care. We will meet you soon with the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.